Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice.
Listen to words with EA and EE. They make the same sound. EA says E, E, and EE says E, E. Let's practice.
Meet, meet.
That's right.
Meet, meet.
Good.
Read, read. Cheese, cheese.
Listen and repeat.
Meet, meet. With EA.
Meet, meet. EE with double E.
Cheese, cheese. E, E with double E.
Read, read with EA.
Now read the words with the partner. EA says
seal, seal.
EE says
Sleep, sleep.
EE says
sheep, sheep.
EA says
Peach, peach.
Exercise 3. Listen, say, and match.
listen to words with I and clever E and words with IE. They make the same sound. I. Let's practice.
Rice, rice.
That's right.
Pine, pine.
Good.
Pie, pie. And tie, tie.
Now listen and match words and pictures.
Rice, rice.
Pine, pine.
Pie, pie.
Tie, tie.
Now read the words with a partner.
Exercise 4. Listen, say, and match.
Listen to words with AI and AY. They make the same sound. A. Let's practice.
Rain, rain. Train, train.
Good.
Play, play. And day, day.
Now listen and match words and pictures.
Rain, rain. Train, train. Play, play. Day, day.
Now read the words with a partner.